of Sisters Creation. So today we are going to show you some thread work and boutique collection. So let's display.
So our first display is
This is our first display,
handloom with thread work.
which is of onion peel color.
Base is onion peel. Look at this. It's a base. Base is onion peel color. It's a half design. Look at the border, which is perfectly thread work of green, blue and red. Flower motif and leaf motif all over the border goes like this, which is beautifully thread work. And with, this saree is half.
This is of navy blue color.
Navy blue color. This is the pallu. Half onion peel and navy blue. The saree goes like this. It's very beautiful, very unique, very
Nicely
beautiful
designed.
and nicely designed. Very unique it is. It's very smart and lucrative. You can carry to your any unique occasion. Look at this. The saree goes like this, which is very beautifully designed. All over the border is heavily designed with thread work, flower and leaf motif all over the border. This is the pallu portion. Yet again you can see this work. Look at this work. This work's making the saree look different. This is the work actually, which is thread work, which is finely thread work of flower and leaf motif all over the pallu. Blue, royal blue, red, green. Multicolored design all over the border is multicolored design. Beautiful this saree is. This is the BP, contrast BP. Look at this saree. It's very beautiful, very lucrative and very unique.
Moving on to our next display.
Okay.
Second display.
This is BD cotton.
Firozi color.
The material is BD cotton, Bangladeshi cotton with machine Pershi work all over the saree. This is Firozi blue color and you can see the saree. It's very lucrative, very smart. All over the border is worked with machine Pershi of black color. And it's highlighting the whole saree.
This is also of a flower motif, flower and leaf motif.
Flower and leaf motif this is. Yet it's a half saree.
Half saree. Firozi.
See.
This is
black. Here is black. So you can see the design when it's Firozi blue. The border is of black machine Pershi, and when the base is black, the border is of blue machine Pershi. So this is highlighting both the color. Actually the basic of this saree is of this work only, this machine Pershi work. You can see like this, which is very lucrative. All over the saree goes like this. This is the BP which is contrast BP, and all over the saree goes like this. It's very simple yet very unique and very different from others, as this is BD cotton, as Bangladeshi cotton I have told, and all the sarees work with machine Pershi, which is of black color. It's a very simple saree, not anything much more in it, simple but unique. There is nothing to say differently about this. You all can see over here that how beautifully and attractive this saree itself is. So this is the second display, which is BD cotton with machine Pershi.
Moving on to our third display.
Moving on to the third display, which is Dhakai Jamdani of
lemon
cut work.
Yellow color.
Dhakai Jamdani. The base is Dhakai Jamdani with cut work. You have seen Dhakai Jamdani of different ways. Now this is the unique way over here. I want to show you the pallu portion at first, because you can get heavily worked. Look at the work all over the sari. The base is Dhakai Jamdani, and the work which is here, which is cut work. Look at the work very prominently, you can get that. It's very beautiful, little mirror motif, and all over it's very colorful. It's very colorful sari, very bright it is.
Yes.
This is the portion, body portion. The body goes like this. Very lucrative, very lucrative. See how beautiful and colorful it is.
Very bright.
And heavily worked in the border. Look at the border, how heavily it's worked. It's very beautiful, very lucrative, and very colorful sari. Like you, if you want to add something very light yet very colorful, then you can wear this. It's summer cool collection, and it's very unique. Like Dhakai Jamdani you have seen of different level, but this is something yet. The concept of Dhakai Jamdani will change if you look at it. We get the same concept of Dhakai Jamdani as we have usually seen Dhakai Jamdani, but this is something different, which is of different work, cut work. This is the pallu, which is heavily worked. The pallu portion is heavy worked with cut work design. So the whole sari goes like this. Very bright color, very bright color,
colorful,
very colorful, because it's in this whole sari there are multiple colors. It's not there is one color. You can get buta work all over the sari of pink color,
rose pink,
flower motif of green,
red and
blue,
green,
white, and all over the sari. That's
there.
why it's like a very colorful. There are multiple colors which are highlighting this sari, which is very colorful. Moving on to the next, which is also a Dhakai Jamdani of cut work.
Again a very colorful,
Very bright color it is. This is the
this
pallu.
is of navy blue.
This is pallu, navy blue. The base is navy blue, yet very heavily worked. Look at the work, mirror works all over this, and Jamdani work also. See how beautifully both combine together to give another effect, and how beautifully they are highlighting to each other. They are contrasting with each other. This is the sari. The whole sari comes like this. See how beautiful it is. How beautiful the sari is. Look at this.
Very bright,
Very colorful, very bright, yet very simple but very vibrant, very bright color, and very unique as well. As you can get different of multiples color over there, as we have shown you in the last. Both differ from each other. Like that was something different. Material is same, but they are giving different
colors
effect
and
when
the
you
styles
wearing
are different.
of different things. So they are giving you different effect. This is the whole sari. The whole sari goes like this. This is Jamdani with cut work. Kathiawari work all over the Jamdani. Very beautiful and very vibrant, very lucrative. Moving on to third, which is also a Jamdani. This is also yellow. This is very bright.
Lemon yellow.
This is lemon yellow. The main purpose of showing this sari is on pallu side. You are getting a heavy work on the pallu side. Look at the pallu side. You are getting heavy work. So we want to show you the pallu side at first, because most of the work, like colorful things, are in there pallu side. So the main motive is showing. The body you will get as simple, but it's very vibrant in the pallu side. So this is the sari goes like this, a very colorful and very vibrant, very colorful. Look at this. This is a very beautiful color. This is also Jamdani with Kathiawari.
Moving on to our next display.
This is a BD cotton with embroidery work, which is half. This is
which is of black color.
see how beautiful it is. This is half. BD cotton embroidery work. Let me show you embroidery first. Look at this.
Look at the embroidery
Look at
work.
the beauty. How heavily designed it is. How heavily worked it is. Embroidery work all over the body on BD cotton. The base is BD cotton and the work goes like this. It's a very
Flower
beautiful
motif.
flower motif, mirror works all over the
Yes.
body. How heavily, but yet very light. The work is very heavy, but the saree is
But
not
the
very
saree is light.
heavy, or you will not get any kind of irritation while
You will
wearing
feel
this.
comfortable.
You will feel comfortable. So this is the thing. This is half actually. Half. See, this is the main thing. This BD cotton embroidery work. We have shown the embroidery work, which is heavily worked at this side. Very nice, very lucrative color. Very heavy worked it is. Let me show you BP.
The BP.
This is
This
the
is the BP.
See, you can get the work at BP also. Can't show you like this. This is the.
This is the BP.
It will come in your this portion, like hand portion. If you make like this, this will come in your hand portion.
Hand
This is
portion.
BT. Like if you make the blouse like this, and this will come like this. The work will come like this. So this is the fourth collection of BD cotton with embroidery work. Very bright, vibrant, and very heavily worked and very bright.
Moving on to the next display.
This is Noel with thread work.
The base is white.
This is something different other than all sarees. Those who are fan of white color, because most of the people like to wear white very much. So this is for them. Look at the saree. The base is Noel. This is Noel with thread work. It's not heavily worked, but it's very decent, very
Very decent.
unique, and very adorable it is. Very adorable, very decent it is. And here comes the pallu portion, which is heavily thread work. Look at the design. It's like an arch
Arch
thread work. It's
of
like an
red
arch
and black.
of red and black all over. The base is pure white with red and black. See how vibrant it is, how colorful it is, how colorful it is. See, it's coming like this. Very nice. This is the BP,
This is the BP.
white BP. Very nice, very vibrant,
Very
and very
bright.
unique collection. This is very unique collection, very smart, very smart,
Summer friendly.
summer friendly as well.
So
Very sober, very sober
Very
collection,
sober.
very sober collection. This will come like this. Very unique, very fine, smooth color it is. White is very smooth color. You all can carry it. It will give you a very nice effect. Okay.
moving on to our next display.
Resham check. This work is Resham check. You can get the check work like this if we box check work it is.
This is of orange color.
Scallion. This work is scallion.
Scallion.
See, net and patta design.
Leaf design.
Very beautiful it is.
See.
Let me put it like this. You can get that. Let me put it like this and you can get the effect like this. This is network over here and patta design of black color, and the base is orange resham check. Yet another very different, very vibrant color. Very soft also and very unique also. You can carry, there's nothing to say much about this. You can see the sari and you can only imagine that how beautiful it is. There's nothing to say differently, like to add something about this, because the sari speaks for itself, so we don't need to say much about it. You can see how beautiful it is, how the beauty it is. You can already see a very simple collection, nothing to say more about it, but
very attractive.
Very attractive, but yet very simple. So this was the first collection of resham check. Moving on to the next, which is also a resham check.
The base is black.
Okay, let me show you the pallu portion at first. This is the pallu portion. See, beautiful it's work. See, very colorful, like leaf, mirror work applique. Here the work is applique and thread, mirror work.
This is also of a
flower motif, leaf motif, all over. It's very colorful. Look at the pallu portion, it's very colorful, very bright, very colorful, and black highlights it's very well.
Actually black suits every complexion, so anybody can wear it.
This is very nice color, very simple. I said you as earlier that there is nothing to say more about it. It is very vibrant itself, and it's the main thing is it's very summer friendly. Cotton yet lightweight. Look at this, how beautiful.
Yes,
it's like one
very light.
dupatta only, like see how it's beautiful it is. This is the BP. See
how beautifully worked.
Look at the work in BP. You can get this BP separately in your hand side. If you put it in your hand side, then you can make it by your own, like however you like to wear it, and make it sleeveless or full hand, whatever you want it. So you can get different, not with the sari, it's different. So here was the sari. Moving on to the next
display.
This is peachish pink, which is very cherry color, peach pink type color.
Cherry color.
Very beautiful, very sweet color it is. It's very sweet color. Very cool, very sweet color it is. Let me show you the design, which is the main thing. I need to show you the design. Parshi work. See how heavily it comes. Parshi work it is. Get the work.
Look at the work.
Black parshi work.
Flower motif.
Flower and leaf motif all over goes like this. It's a broad
work.
Polka dot all over the sari.
Yes.
It's of resham check as a base and polka dot all over the body, and here you can get a heavy parshi work in your pallu side, and the sari goes like this. Here is also parshi work, a glimpse of parshi here also. Parshi work, and the body goes like this. Our body comes like this, polka dot all over the body. This is the border. This is parshi work. Very nice. And here is the BP.
This is the BP, which is also design.
Of red.
red and black.
red black. Separate blouse piece. Was a
These
blouse
are all
piece,
separate blouse
and
pieces.
here is a sari, which is resham check. Moving on
Here
to
the
the
next display.
last and the next, which is also a resham check, but there
this is
it's a
Lemon
unique
yellow.
lemon yellow, but the heavy work is on the pallu side.
Look at the pallu side.
Look at the
How
pallu.
beautifully worked.
Hat pakha design.
This is the
Wow.
Hath Pakha design
Hat pakha design it is.
of birds
Birds
motif.
motive, like see an arch it is. Very lucrative, very lucrative, very nice. All over the sari
Bright and
goes with the
colourful.
bird motive in it. Resham check, look at this, how beautiful it is. A sweet color it is, very nice. You can wear this at any of your occasions. See how beautifully you can carry it like this. You can carry this, how beautifully you can carry this. See how beautiful it is. Look at this, and look at the heavy work. It's a hat pakha design at pallu, and which is like bird motive, leaf, flower,
Yes.
depicting
Depicting a nature.
a nature, and this is the BP.
This is the BP.
This is the
BP.
bird motive,
Yeah. Yellow and green bird motif.
yellow and green, and here's the whole side. How beautiful it is, how beautifully
Very
arranged it
lucrative.
is, very lucrative.
Right.
The whole body goes like this. This was the last collection for today.
If you like any of the sarees, then please take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number. All the details are given in the description box. You can check it out there. And if you like the video, then please like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. We will again come with the next video. Till then, bye.